Happy Saturday. Oh no, it's not Saturday, excuse me, it's Friday. This is Friday afternoon in California. I'm at the beautiful Proud Bird. The Proud Bird is right next to LAX. It's a restaurant bar. But you can have a look outside the place. A Spitfire P-51 F4U and a not Dauntless, is it? Or is it AT6? I think Tom had. Tom, didn't you have one of these? I love these. I love the Corsair. It's a toss-up between a P-51, which I flew in, and a Corsair, of my favorite airplane. I just love those gull wings. And unfortunately, I have music playing in there. But this is just part of it. This is absolutely real. These are real planes, I think. Maybe not. They're cool though. Lucifer. Get a nose art on that, if you can see it. Wow. I don't know if they'll let me out back. But there's a bunch of planes. P-38 out back. That's a cool P-51 Cadillac of the Sky. I flew in a jump seat in one of these. The guy who held the record for flying inverted. He flew from Chino Airport to Reno, Nevada, upside down. And he showed me the ropes too. I spent probably half the flight inverted. Lucky my lunch stayed down. Yeah, this is a Proud Bird. Tusky. The Tusky Air. Yeah, that's a beautiful, beautiful Spitfire. I think I'm gonna grab my coat and go inside. Little tail hook action going there. I don't know if you can see it. I love that bird. I should say that Corsair. To see him full size is just unbelievable. Cool. Cool. Really cool. I can't tell if these are real or not. See, here's LAX right there. There's a plane landing. Let's go inside. I've been coming here for, God, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. And it used to be different. But it was laid out differently. Now, not so much. Okay, I'll be back.